to see about frameless cooking. First of all, we are going to talk about nutrition fact. 100 gram of vegetable salad. Calories 47. Fat 2.67 gram. Carbohydrate 2.19 gram. Protein 4.04 gram. Sodium 55 milligram. Calcium 46 milligram. Potassium 171 milligram. Cholesterol 45 milligram. Now we are going to see about what are the things needed to make a vegetable salad. Cucumber, tomato, onion, carrot, cabbage and soaked black chana. Small amount of pink salt, pepper and half lemon. First we should chop all the vegetables. Now we should put all the vegetables in this bowl. First we are putting cucumber. Then cabbage, onion, tomato, carrot, and then soak the black chana. For taste, we should add some spices. Pepper, little salt. We're going to put some lemon. Wow! Now we should mix this. It looks very colorful. I mixed it. Our vegetable salad is ready. Now let's taste our vegetable salad. Wow! I can feel many different flavors of these vegetables and spices. Its taste is very good. Thank you.